So this is the AB1 cooling fan. So first up here, you do have to fill it up with water. It's a fairly simple twist off top. It also does come with this remote, which is really nice, works really well. So there's different fan speeds, there's a timer on it, as well as the water output and lighting. So you can do just the fan, 3 different speeds, hold it, turn it off, and then for the water output, there's the lowest setting, medium, and high. It's not really visible on the camera, but there is definitely a difference. And then the lighting has 7 different settings on it. Does really cool ombre for the lighting, and you can have everything going at once. It is also very quiet even on its highest setting compared to a conventional air conditioning or even just like a house fan. And for the remote, really easy to use, really simple. So this one's going to control your fan speed. So you can turn that on, and then that's on the lowest setting, and then you have your medium and your high, and then you can turn it off up here. Same idea with the water output. So you can turn that on, medium, high. You can turn it off, same spot.